how to change aspect ratio in Capcut website. So in this video, I'll show you step by step. After you open the website, tap on the create project button. So to open the website like this for you. So from this option, now go ahead and drag your video that you want to add. So let's say now I add this video. Now I want to change the aspect ratio of this video in the Capcut web. So now tap on this ratio set. So from this option, it will give you different aspect ratio. So if you want to use the video for the LinkedIn, you can tap on this one. If you want to use the video for the TikTok short or Instagram story or any short story, short video, you can use this 9:16. Or if you want to use the video for Instagram post, you can choose this one. So after you choose your aspect ratio, for me, I will use the video for the short. I'll choose this 9:16. So from there, now the video has changed. The aspect ratio has been changed. If you want to now stretch the video, you can just drag, you can tap on this any of this edge. So from there, you can just zoom it back, and from there you can just go ahead now and zoom in the video to fit in the screen of your video. And from there now, if you play the video, the video will play at the middle like this. After you finish editing your video by changing the aspect ratio, then you can tap on this export button. From there your video will be exported. And that's it, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe.